Tired of not hearing enough of your island's soca at Fets? Kick off your Caravana week right with TruDYNASTY's Island Mixer Boat Clash, hosted by Brenton B. Sunday, July 25th, come visit the islands aboard the Aurora Borealis as Toronto's best DJs, DLC, Soca Sweetness, Soul Vibes, DJ Night Rider, and Mr. Dingalay go head-to-head by spotlighting Trinidad and Tobago, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, and Barbados. Which island will represent the best? You decide and help crown the winner. All Soca Islands and lovers welcome. Limited advance tickets on sale now. And as a special bonus, if you're on the TruDYNASTY bus trip to Atlanta or have registered to play mass with them, the first 50 people pay $25 only. For info, call 647-271-3984 for ticket location nearest you. That's 647-271-3984. Or email info@TruDYNASTY.com. TruDYNASTY, where carnival lasts forever.